If you want to share your favorite song with your friends on Discord, this tutorial River will show you how to play music both mobile and PC. First of all, let's play music on Discord from PC. Open the server and open top.gg website, and here search for the green bot. So all you have to do is just add this green bot to your Discord server. Select the server where you want to add the bot. Once the bot added, go to your Discord server. So here you can see the green bot has been added. Now to play a music, you have to join a voice channel. And now type /play and you get this command here. Click on it and give here your song name. Give a space and give the singer name and send this command. Right click on the green bot. From here you can change the volume of the music, and to stop the music type this command /stop. And this is how we can play music from PC. Now let's see the process in mobile. On your mobile, open a browser and type here greenbot.gg. Open the first URL and you will get the green bot here. Tap on invite. Select the server. Once the bot added, go to your Discord app and open the server. And now join a voice channel. Now all you have to need, just type this command /play. Enter the song name and give a space and give the singer name and send this command. And this is how we can play song on Discord from mobile and PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.